every day holds a surprise for us. We should not be afraid to receive each day's surprise. Whether it comes to us as sorrow or joy, it opens a new place in our hearts. Well, today we have lots of surprises for the beautiful audience present here. A very good and happy evening to honorable trustees, respected principals, dignified teachers, all the treasured invitees, parents, and my dear friends, on the behalf of our school, I, Boyapati Shamala, extend a very sincere welcome to all of you present here. Today is an important day for all of us. I would like to congratulate everyone, including me, on successfully completing 5 years. No doubt that our school is expanding year by year, and I heartily congratulate to all the members who have contributed to the success of the program. Such programs strengthen a wholesome development of the personality of a child. I once again welcome to the annual Culture Fest and dinner ceremony. We are grateful to you to take out some time to join us in this great event. We hope you have a great time and keep enjoying the event as you always have. Energetically welcome everybody to our yearly cultural night. Before I move on to the main event, I would like to take a moment to thank all our trustees, L.M. Prashant Garu, Satish Devata Garu, Pachipulsu Satish Garu, Krishnamurti Garu, Pabatti Sridhar Garu, Makam Kiran Kumar Garu, Deshu Santosh Garu, Deshu Nagasandesh Garu, Madhvi Ma'am, and Padmaja Madam. Let's start this event by offering our prayers to Ma Saraswati, goddess of knowledge. We will have traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony to pay tribute and to make this evening a blessed one. Invoked goddesses Saraswati by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. For seeking the choicest blessing, I request Prashant sir, Krishnamurti sir, him and Imaja madam, Madhvi ma'am and Padmaja madam, Balu sir, Sandesh sir, Indrani ma'am and Sri Ramlu sir to inaugurate the function with Jyoti Prajwalana. Please, I welcome again Prashant sir, Krishnamurti sir and Imaja ma'am, Madhvi ma'am and Padmaja ma'am, Balu sir, Sandesh sir, Indrani ma'am, Sri Ramlu sir. And Ashok sir also, please welcome sir. Now I request our dignitaries to come and occupy the distinguished chairs in the VIP lounge. We have a prayer song to lead us into prayer. I welcome our little angel, Shri Kruti, to sing a melodious prayer song, Akshara, to sing a melodious prayer song of Lord Ganesha.
everybody. My name is Akshara Karthik. I am studying in first standard for A section. Pahi pahi gajanana, Parvati putra gajanana. Pahi pahi gajanana, Parvati putra gajanana. Mushika vahana gajanana, Modakahasta gajanana, Mushika vahana gajanana, Modakahasta gajanana. Pahi pahi gajanana, Parvati putra gajanana. Chamankarna gajanana, Vilambita sutra gajanana. Chamankarna gajanana, Vilambita sutra gajanana. Pahi pahi gajanana, Parvati putra gajanana. Vamana rupa gajanana, Maheshwara putra gajanana. Vamana rupa gajanana, Maheshwara putra gajanana. Pahi pahi gajanana, Parvati putra gajanana. Vigna vinayaka gajanana, Pada namaste gajanana. Vigna vinayaka gajanana, Pada namaste gajanana. Pahi pahi gajanana, Parvati putra gajanana. Parvati putra gajanana, gajanana.
Mahagnana Swarupi cha Hanuman Anjana Sutaha, Kalagnana Swarupi cha Hanuman Vayusutaha, Namami Kapisham Sharanam 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 Rama Bhakta Sharanam Mama.
We all are aware that the success of any educational institute depends on the principal. The principal is the driving force who manage, coordinate, guide and supervise various activity of the educational institute. It's my honor to welcome Principal Ma'am on stage to present preamble of school's achievements, the school report. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Honorable trustees of the school, respected parents, esteemed invitees, teachers, and my dear students. My hearty welcome to one and all. I would like to thank you for responding to our invitation and gracing this occasion. It's a great honor to stand here in front of such an esteemed gathering who have contributed to the growth and development of our school. As a part of this institution, I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you. Education is a shared commitment between dedicated teachers, motivated students, and enthusiastic parents with high expectations. People Tree School is completely committed to it and will strive hard to transform the child into the miracle that parent has intended them to be. This year has been very eventful one for us. We have made efforts to transform children towards studies after a long gap due to a pandemic and have been extremely successful in endeavors. Apart from preparing the children to qualify for purely academic demands, special efforts are being made continuously to enable them to face the challenges of the competitive world. It's a matter of great importance to us that the students who graduate from our portals should carry forward the values they have inherited and excel in whatever they do and be the role models of the society. Today, the school has a strength of 400 students with 40 plus staff members. The school's academic performance in the secondary examination 2022-23 is projected to be creditable with 100% of the students passing and spectacular performance by 25% of the students. Students from 1st to 9th standard are expected to do remarkably well in the annual exam scheduled for April. 75% of them are projected to achieve A+ grade. The school gives great importance to the development of artistic talents of the students. A comprehensive program of co-curricular activities is being implemented. It includes art, music, dance, and karate. This year, we have introduced English Club, where the children get the learning to learn public speaking, body language depiction, and talent of self-expression every Saturday. Children are encouraged to show their talent in calligraphy, drawing, painting, essay writing, singing, recitation, elocution, dance, puppet storytelling, newspaper reading, diya painting, rangoli competition, greeting card making, spell bee, tongue twisters, and riddle saying competitions. Pre-primary wing of the school is a place to experience the great joy of learning. Our young students grow up in grace, knowledge, and skill in the world of joy. The following are the activities that were conducted for pre-primary division during the active calendar time. International Justice Day, International Tigers Day, Friendship Day, White Day, Grandparents Day, Red Day, Orange Day were also conducted. Travel makes you realize that no matter how much you know, there is always more to learn. We organized one-day picnic or educational tour for pre-primary classes to a farmhouse and also railway station. Festival celebration at school are important to students for promoting cultural diversity, building community, providing learning opportunities, developing life skills, and creating a sense of joy. We celebrated national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day colorfully. Religious festivals like Krishnastami, Dasra, Diwali, Christmas, Bakrid were also celebrated. Our students were given opportunities to participate in Silver Zone International Olympiad in mathematics, science, English, and social studies. Many students have exceeded our expectations by receiving gold, silver, and bronze medals. A large number of projects have been implemented this year to emphasize on the concept of learning through doing for better concept penetration. The school has many students who not only excel in academics, but also in the area of dance, music, theater, and art. A lot of them have performed on the stage outside the school. Our students took part in Independence Day celebrations held in ZPHS Madanapalli and Honorable Chief Minister's Vidya Divana program. Our students also took part in essay writing, elocution, drawing, and quiz competitions as a part of Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav by the state government. Many of them were selected to the mandal level competitions also and were awarded certificates. To imbibe leadership qualities, understand responsibilities, develop teamwork and personality development, students are appointed to be school captains, vice captains, house captains, and house vice captains. The school has always been taking initiatives to identify and nurture the talent in sports games. Students were trained in many indoor and outdoor games also. Our students have taken part in AP Inter-District Rugby and Basketball Championships and have received certificates. A fun-filled sports day was held which encouraged students to engage the sports to promote physical fitness. This provided a platform to the students to work in teams and learn the importance of sportsmanship. Many of our students participated in Open National Karate Championships, which was held in Bangalore, and won gold, silver, and bronze medals. Science and Maths Expo was conducted in the month of January. This helped children showcase their ideas and models on the topics given to every class. New concepts in energy conversion, biology, and mathematics were exhibited and explained by the students. A few of our students have also been shortlisted by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, for innovation in science pursuit for inspired research, that is inspired program, and have been given a grant to pursue their projects. An awareness program was conducted by Mr. Naveen Kumar and his team from SR Gas Services to demonstrate how to fix the gas regulator and precautionary measures to be taken when there is a gas leakage. Parents teachers meet was also conducted after the completion of the exams, and feedback was taken by the parents. Remedial classes were conducted for the students who need additional help from the teachers. The management of the school and the staff are determined to assign PTS to an international standards of excellence in all aspects of education. We shall lead your children to the summits of learning and achievements. Thank you. Thank you for being with us. I wish you all a great evening. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Our school has proved its strength not only in academics, but also in sports too. Now it's time to enjoy the evening of cultural and artistic celebrations. We are delighted to have you all here today to celebrate rich cultural program. And today, we have a wonderful lined up of performances that will showcase the beauty and richness of our culture. We have with us some special performances like dances, music, and other forms of arts that will take us on the journey through the history and traditions of us. We have come forward to showcase their skills in the field of music, dance, theater, and art. Each performance will be a unique experience for us. Throughout the event, we encourage you to engage with our activities, take part in our discussions, and enjoy the atmosphere. I request Sultana Madam to come and just continue this program.
Our first performance tonight is a classical Bharatnatyam piece. Pranavalaya is a traditional Indian dance form that emphasizes the beauty of movement and the expression of emotions through dance. So without further ado, please put your hands together and give a warm welcome to the participants of Pranavalaya dance.
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणाम्बुरासी धीं तारा धीं धीं तारा जतुलतो నా ఆలోచనే నిరంతరం నీకు నివాళినివ్వాలని నాలో ఆవేదనే నువ్వు ఆదరించేలా నివేదనవ్వాలని దేహమునే కోవెలగా నిన్ను కొలువుంచా జీవముతో భావముతో సేవలు చేసా ప్రతి ఋతువు ప్రతి కృతువు నీవని ఎంచా సతతము నీ స్మరణే ధీం తానా ధీం ధీం తానా జతులతో ప్రాణమే నాట్యం చేసే గతులతో నామశతం మూల నదులతో నా పైన నీ చూపు ఆపేలా శరణంటినే జనని నాద వినోదిని భువన పాలినివే అనాథ రక్షణ నీ విధి కాదటే మురవిని చేరవటే
Everybody here, and we welcome one and all for People Tree School Annual Day function. And now we are going to celebrate graduation ceremony for the senior KG children here. Thank you all. And I request Reddy Madam to come on to this dais and read out the names. Thank you.
Yes, now let us call senior KG batch 1 students onto the dais. I request Master Adya Priya to come onto the dais to collect the graduation certificate. Master Geetanshu, please come onto the dais. Master Hemashri, please come onto the dais. Master Hitaishi, please come onto the dais. Master Mihira Desu, please come onto the dais. Master Nijat Anjum, please come onto the dais. Master Divija. Master Danvik. Master Adil. Master Geetam Krishna. Master Harshit Nandan. Master Jayansh Reddy. Master Lakshit Sai. Master Muhammad Abid. Master Naga Venkatameru. Yes. Congratulations to our graduate students. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Let me call Jaya ma'am to join with me. By our nursery students. It is the one of the dynamic, energetic song. So our little champs, our nursery students are going to perform. Let us welcome them.
ఎంకన్న తీర్థంలో యాళ్ళ పొద్దు ముహూర్తంలో పూల జడ ఎత్తుతుంటే పుస్తే నువ్వు గడుతుంటే ఏ కన్ను చూడకుండా కన్ను నాకు కొడుతుంటే నిన్ను చూడ బుద్ధైతాంది రాజిగో మాట్లాడ బుద్ధైతాంది రాజిగో చెయ్యి పట్ట బుద్ధైతాంది రాజిగో ముద్దు పెట్ట బుద్ధైతాంది రాజిగో నిన్ను చూస్తే నిన్ను చూస్తే ఎట్లా ఉంటాది గుండె గట్టిగా కొట్టేసుకుంటాది
నన్ను చూస్తే అట్టే ఉంటాది ఇల్లు టీకలు పెట్టేసుకుంటాది
잘나가 내가 봐도 내가 좀 끝내주잖아 Right 네가 달아도 이 몸이 부럽잖아 Right 남자들은 날 돌아보고 여자들은 따라해 내가 앉은 이 자리를 매일 넌 피곤해 숨이 자꾸만 짧는 어딜거리 한테야 나 바라봤진 타이어처럼 보기 좋게 차이야 좀 비켜도 난 거부해 이건 겸손한 얘기 가치를 논하자면 난 $1 billion baby 뭘 좀 아는 사람들은 다 알아서 알아봐 아무나 자꾸 물어봐 누가 제일 잘 나가 내가 제일 잘 나가 내가 제일 잘 나가 내가 제일 잘 나가 내가 제일 잘 나가 제일 잘 나가 누가 네가 나보다 더 잘 나가 No 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 나 나 나 나 누가 네가 나보다 더 잘 나가 No 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 나 나 나 나 누가 네가 나보다 더 잘 나가 No 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 나 나 나 나 누가 네가 나보다 더 잘 나가 No 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 나 나 나 나 빠빠라따따따 따따따따따 bitch Oh my God.
Yes, that was a really very wonderful performance. Let's encourage them by giving them a big round of applause. Now I request Varna ma'am to continue graduation certificates. Now let us call the senior KG students on the dais. Yes, let's welcome Master Revant Reddy to come on to the dais. Stand there. Yes, I'll call Masters Sai Kartikeya Saurav on the dais. Yes, Master Vedant Reddy. Master Ujjwal Yuvantej. Master Jashrita. Master Mohit Reddy. Master Rishik. Master Lavishka. Master Agnashri. Master Ritvik. Master Swarashri. Master Ishika. Master Rayan. Master Vidun. Master Trijoshram.
Hands up.
Thank you, students, for your rocking performance. Let's give them a big round of applause. Master Sri Sarika, please come to the dais to collect the graduate certificate. Yes, Master Sarika. Master Tushara. Come, baby. Stand here. Master Varnika. Master Ashmita. Come, baby. Master Yashashvi. Master Namrata. Master Devansh. Master Jnaneshwar. Master Kanishk Reddy. Master Darshan. Master Suhail. Master Yuvan Kartikeya. Master Yatika. Master Ahad. Master Reddy Rutika. Master Varshant. Yes, give them a big round of applause.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디 성숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선어해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선어해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선어해 근육보다 사상이 울퉁불퉁한 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디 B는 너, 그 위에 나는 너 Baby baby 나는 뭘 좀 아는 너 B는 너, 그 위에 나는 너 Baby baby 나는 뭘 좀 아는 너 You know what I'm saying 오빤 강남스타일 Sexy lady 오빤 강남스타일 Sexy lady 오빤 강남스타일
Parents of nursery students to collect their children. Near the entrance. Near dining hall.
I request the parents and guardians of nursery students, please make your way to the main entrance of dining hall promptly to collect your children.
Thank you children for your cute performance. The worship of gods, Panjurli and Guliga, powerful spirits that speak through the dance art form of Bhutakola. There is action and a real portrayal of culture. Here is a dance from Kantara devotees. Have you all seen Kantara in real? So now our students are coming forward to show you Kantara. So let's welcome participants of Kantara dance.
वराहरूपं देववरीतं परस्मितवदनं वज्रदन्तधर रक्षाकवचम् सम्भूत भुवि संजात ನಂಬಿದವಗಿಂಬು ಕೊಡುವವನೀತ ಸಾವಿರ ದೈವದ ಮನ ಸಂಪ್ರೀತ ಬೇಡುತ್ತ ನಿಂದೆವು ಆರಾಧಿಸುತ್ತ वराहरूपं दैववरीतं वराहरूपं दैववरीतं परस्मितवदनम्
Performance. May the rhythm of dance stay with us always, and I hope it inspired everyone.
हो जो न पास तू तो आती ढंग से सांस नहीं, चिड़चिड़ा सा रहता हूँ मैं, लगता कुछ भी खास नहीं। जब से मरने लगे हैं तुझ पे बचने की कोई आस नहीं मेरी। ओ जिंदगी में आई जब से वाइब ही बदल गई, घूमता था मैं आवारा लाइफ सी संभल गई। दुनिया मेरी डार्क सी में लाइट सी एक जल गई है। तेरी बातों में तो खो सा गया, मेरी रातों में दिन हो सा गया। प्यार कहते जिसको फाइनली वो हो सा गया। फाइनली 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 रहा ना पहले से शायद, समझ में कुछ न आए, बोलो ना क्या किया जाए अब, आंखों से नींद है गायब। खुश मैं इतना क्यों, तुझको तो फिक्रों में क्यों, जाने क्या हुआ मुझे, तेरे प्यार में चमकू जैसे जुगनू।
जिसको finally वो हो सा गया। Finally, finally, finally। नहीं ना पहले से शायद, समझ में कुछ न आए, बोलो ना क्या किया जाए, आंखों से नींद है गायब।
खुश मैं इतना क्यों, तुझको तो फिक्रों में क्यों, जाने क्या हुआ मुझे, तेरे प्यार में चमकू जैसे जुगनू
इसको दूर मुझसे करना कोई पाएगा सोचना क्या जाने जाना जो होगा देखा जाएगा
खुश हूँ मैं इतना क्यों तुझको तो बच्चों में क्यों जाने क्या हुआ मुझे तेरे प्यार में चमकू जैसे जुगनू
This is a reminder once again. The parents and guardians of junior KG students, please come and collect your students near the dining hall.
Tom dhira na 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 dhira dhira na Tom dhira na 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 dhira dhira na Dom dhira na dhira dhira na na Tom dhira na na dhira dhira na Tom dhira na na dhira dhira na
ప్రణామం 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 ప్రభాత సూర్యుడికి ప్రణామం 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 సమస్త ప్రకృతికి ప్రణామం ప్రమోదం 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 ప్రతి సృష్టి చిత్రం ప్రమోదం ప్రయాణం 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 విశ్వంతో మమేకం ప్రయాణం
Tom dhira na 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 dhira dhira na Tom dhira na 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 dhira dhira na Dom dhira na dhira dhira na na ये गोली सोडावे ये करी कोळंबे वो कुट्टी पप्पी ना टेक मी
ఏ సిల్క్ సట్ట నీ వెయిట్ కట్ట లవ్ సొట్ట సొట్ట మీ టాక్ మీ
Hey my dear मचा तू मनसे वचा वो बोरे सिकला
మడి రాణి ఎన్ డ్రీముల వాణి నువ్వు ఉన్నా సరే ఫైర్ బుక్కి రచ్చా
ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸಿ ಪಕ್ಕ ಪೋತಾ ನಿಂದ ಪಾಂಗು ಕೇವೇಸ್ತಾ ನೀ ಎಂಗುಡೆಯ ರೌಡಿ ಬೇಬಿ
You're my only girlfriend. I'll give you 2 we'll make
we would like to inform you all that we have arranged it for dinner from 8 p.m. So I request everyone to have dinner before you leave. I remind you once again, dear parents, it starts from 8 p.m. Please have dinner before you leave.
Good evening, parents. Myself, I am Irfan from grade 10th.
Good evening, parents. This is Pranit from grade 10. Irfan, do you know the greatness of our national anthem, pledge, national emblem, our nation, India?
Yes, Pranit. I have seen countries like Japan to Russia, Australia to USA, but there is no other country like India.
It doesn't matter about the complication, but our hearts are pure.
Yes, Pranit. Children are ready to explain the eminence of our country. That is our India.
I would like to welcome disciples to make us understand about the things that are made in India.
Yes, waiting for their admirable performance.
Let us welcome them. The song was choreographed by dancer and in-charge teacher Sultana ma'am. Thank you.
देखी है सारी दुनिया जापान से लेके रशिया
Thank you, children, for your energetic performance. The beauty of India was picturized and in front of our eyes. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, I am Yogesh from class 10. This is my co-partner, Rabia. Rabia, what a special atmosphere here.
Well, Yogesh, it's not less than any party or wedding.
Yeah, absolutely right. Party is a celebration, dance with Viger, play music, tell everyone today's party.
Yeah, then I'm eagerly waiting for the next dance performance. What is it, Yogesh? Tell me.
It's party song. Name of the song is Aaj Ki Party, featuring Salman Khan.
It's an open party. Milke karenge fun.
Now I welcome our little stars to come and perform and mesmerize all with their cute smile.
Choreograph and in-charge teacher, Tausif ma'am and Shweta ma'am.
सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से सबको बोलो तेरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से सबको बोलो तेरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से मची है जूर तोड़ के रूर करे वो स्टेप के गिरे लोग दाएं बाएं नींद भी दूर जश्न का फुल नाच जम के पूरा फ्लोर खिल जाए बात न आए शोर मचाए पार्टी जो न करे उसको टाटा पाए मची है जूर तोड़ के रूर करे वो स्टेप के गिरे लोग दाएं बाएं नींद भी दूर जश्न का फूल नाच चमके के पूरा फ्लोर खिल जाए बात न आए शोर मचाए पार्टी जो न करे उसको डाटा पाए है इनविटेशन मिलके करे फन आओ जहाज में या भर के ट्रक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से सबको बोलो तेरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से
The party was so great. I hope everyone enjoyed the party given by these participants. Thank you, friends.
Ganesha, the son of Lord Shiva and Parvati, is the Lord of wisdom, knowledge and new beginnings. He is also known as the remover of obstacles, and his blessings are sought before sorting any new venture. Lord Ganesha is represented with an elephant head symbolizing wisdom and a pot belly, symbolizing the importance of digesting both the good and bad in life. He is worshipped in every household and temples across India and is revered as a symbol of prosperity and good fortune. We hope this dance fills our hearts with joy and happiness, and we pray that Lord Ganesha's blessings stay with us forever. Let's invite all the participants of Jai Ganesha to offer prayers.
Now one. Now okay na ma'am? Ma'am, okay na. The song.
Deva Shri Ganesha, 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 Deva Shri Ganesha.
ज्वाला सी चलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है, परवाही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है। धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे,
request parents of Vinidhar of nursery to come and take him. Parents of senior KG students, please come and take them near dining hall.
Happy to be in it.
Yes, of course. It's one of the most famous songs from the movie.
Yeah.
Now let's welcome grade 1 children to perform on this song. This song was choreographed and in charge by Sweta ma'am.
गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सारा आलम। Zubidu param Zubi dooby pampara, zubi dooby param pam. Zubi dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Zubi dooby pampara, zubi dooby param pam. Zubi dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man. शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे, दीवानी किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे। वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू। आई 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 zubi dooby pampara, zubi dooby param pam. Zubi dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Zubi dooby pampara, zubi dooby param pam. Zubi dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man. झिम सन 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 हवा, टिप 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 बूंदे गुर्राते बिजलियाँ। भीगी भीगी साड़ी में यूं ठुमके लगाती तू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू। आई 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 zubi dooby pampara, zubi dooby param pam. Zubi dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Zubi dooby pampara, zubi dooby param pam. Zubi dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
Kind of cozy feeling while listening the lyrics. Wow, what a lighting performance. Thank you, children.
Hey, what happened? What music?
Keep listening. The cow to stop chewing the grass in their mouth. The music that makes parrots and all gopikas to stop their activities. Reach up their ears to listen with the great attention.
Audience, for such a great Krishna flute music, our children are going to perform beautiful dance with dayas.
Let's welcome Grand.
Thank you, children, for your beautiful performance. Are you all enjoying the celebrations? Yes? Yes. So I don't want to make it bore. So I have a joke to share with you all. 3 drunk guys entered a taxi. The taxi driver knew that they were drunk. So he started the engine and turned it off again. He told them, "We have reached." The first guy gave him money and the second guy said, "Thank you." The third guy gave the driver a slap. The driver was shocked, thinking the third drunk knew what he did. He asked, "What's that for?" The third guy replied, "Control your speed. Next time you nearly killed us." Thank you.
What, Rabia? You became a singer? You were humming a song?
No, Yogesh, it's just a lyric. Modini Banke, a Punjabi wedding song.
Wow, it's Punjabi song, wedding song.
This day is not less than any wedding for all of us.
Now I welcome grade 2 students to turn this night into a wedding celebration.
Choreograph Master Santosh and in charge teacher Kalpana ma'am.
कैटवॉक वाली बेबी है तेरी चाल बैकलेस सूट विच लगदी कमाल ओ किथे चली जांदी है ओ किथे चली जांदी है तेनू पुछना है कोई सवाल ओ दस दे कुवारियां है किस दे तू नाल जो दूरों दूरों जानी है जान कड जानी है एने भी नखरे तू करी ना सोनी है एने भी नखरे तू करी ना सोनी है दिल मेरा तेरे लिए धड़के नहीं आज फिर किथे आज फिर किथे किथे चलनी है मोरनी बनके मोरनी बनके आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बनके संडे तो लेके सैटरडे तक संडे तो लेके सैटरडे तक घर पे वेट तेरी खटके नहीं आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बनके ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਧੁੰਮਾਂ ਪੈ ਗਈਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਭਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਖੜੇ ਚੌਂਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਪਾਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਠੋਡੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਠੋਡੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਜੋ ਦਾਗੇ ਚੰਨ ਦੇ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ